Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set a reminder for a task in the HabitNow application. So let us begin. Launch the HabitNow app, for example on your Android. So let me do this, just like that. And what you want to do next is navigate to the tasks section here at the bottom in the middle of that menu. And here switch between single tasks and recurring tasks. So let me go with a single task. Like this one here, go to the grocery store, tap into the given task. And if you'd like to add a reminder, guys, you will see this option here in the middle of that menu, time and reminders. Tap into it and tap into a new reminder for this activity. So what you want to do is simply tap into that hour here and enter your notification time or reminder time. Like for example, I don't know, 7 a.m. in the morning. Let me tap into it, 0700 for example, tap into OK. That's it, that's the reminder time. Now you may switch between don't remind here or set an alarm or the notification here to the right by tapping into alarm. So it may switch to notification so that you may receive, for example, notifications on your phone that the given task needs to be completed. And after that you may set also a scheduling below, like always enabled specific days of the week, or get notified and reminded of the given task days before, for example 1 day before, 2 days, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Tap into confirm to set the reminder, and that is going to set the reminder for the given task. Tap into close, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.